little test drive action. We set the toe a little bit. Just gotta see if she's straight or close. Oh, the brakes are so much better. Hey, the brakes are better.
The looks is good.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's see what we got.
All right. See you in a minute.
Yeah. Ooh. All right. Woo. All right, so pulls a little left. That means I gotta adjust our wheels accordingly. But it stops pretty straight. Yeah, it stops way better than yesterday, that's for sure. It's not all exhaust leaky either. Oh yeah, that stops way better. Right there is straight. So that means that's straight. So straight pulls to the left, so both wheels need to go a little bit to the right. Probably half a turn on the tie rod.